Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put a belt on your town car if you don't have one on. So you're starting with a blank canvas here. We got a belt. So first thing you want to do is start by, you get your idler and your tensioner. You want to shove it through here. This is like, I don't know, 03, 04 and earlier. Non-flex. I know my 09, I know the 09 tin we have are a little different. So that's got to pull there. While we're pulling this, we're gonna wrap this around here. We're going to then I'm going to bring this down. Here, around your crank, back up, okay? From your crank, you're going to run this bottom one around your water pump. Belt stiff, because it's new. And then, we're going to come over here and gently slip it on and make sure it's in the grooves of our power steering pulley here. Now that we've got this, let me set you up where we can get you here. And on my car it's a 1/2 inch drive. Now on some of the newer ones, like I noticed my 09 that has the single bolt holding this on, it's a 3/8. But the 98 to 02 is. So I'm going to take my 1/2 inch drive ratchet, stick it in, and I'm going to push forward down. As I push forward down, I'm going to lift it up over the alternator, like so. There we go. Then we'll let the tension back on, and once the tension's back on, we're gonna go back around. We're gonna make sure it's between. I mean, the soft ones the flat ones will kind of correct themselves, but we're gonna go through, make sure it's like not hanging off the side of one of these. We're gonna make sure it's between the two grooves, all our groove pulleys. It is. So we're ready to start it up. It's looking good. Obviously, can't start this one without the radiator and everything hanging, but yeah. So you get it. That's the deal. That's how we handle all of this. So that's belt. That's how you put the belt on a town car. If you don't have a belt diagram, this is it. We're gonna stand here a bit. Hopefully this helps you right there. Take a good look at how the belt goes. If you need to pause it, you can. All right. That's what we got. That's what we got going. That's what's going on. I'm going to show you from this side, this angle. And use a good quality belt. Use a Continental, a Gates, OEM, heavy. Use a good belt. I got a Continental on there. There you go. There you go. That's all there is to it. And you've installed your belt. All right. And that's going to conclude this video. So, I want y'all to have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. And hopefully this works for you. And help someone out there out.